Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. Let's get started. To calculate age in Excel, we'll be using the dateDef function, which is the most suitable tool for the job. But before we proceed, make sure your data table is set up correctly. Ensure that the cells containing dates are formatted as date, and the cells where you want to display the calculated age should be formatted as number. Select the cell where you want the result to appear. Input an equal sign and right after, type dateDef. Now, you will need to provide three pieces of information. The first is the date of birth. Click on the cell with the birth date, add a comma, and now Excel needs today's date. You can easily input today's date using the today function. Type today, T-O-D-A-Y, and include the opening and closing brackets. By using this command, Excel will always use the current date for its calculations, ensuring that the result is always up to date. If you ever need to use a date other than the current one, you can store that information in a separate cell and refer to it in the formula. Similar to what we did with the date of birth. However, for our example, we'll stick with the current date and move on to the next step. Add another comma and type Y in quotation marks for years. This will help us determine the exact number of completed years that have passed between the date of birth and today's date. Now close the brackets and press enter. Great work! You can use the same function to calculate age in other rows as well. Just copy the formula from the first cell by dragging it down from the bottom left corner of that cell. And that's all there is to it. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years from the date of birth to today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.